Hello everyone. In this following video I will show you that how you can rearrange or reorder your apps on your TV. So this is basically I'm using a TCL TV, so you can rearrange the apps based on your priority or your convenience. So let's start here. I will show you two different methods and you can use any one of them to rearrange your TV apps. So let's start here. First of all, you can use your remote and use the down key and get into your apps. Now you will see there's a list of apps over here, so you should navigate to the last. You will see an option reorder. So this is the method one. Click on it and it says press to move. Let's say the TCL channel is the app. I want to take it in the front, the first app, so I just tab on it on the remote and then I will move it anywhere I want it to place. So for example, I will take it to the front, the first app, and then press to confirm. Now I want YouTube, so I'll press and hold again and I'll move it here in the second app, confirm, tap. Then I'll take the Netflix. Let's say I clicked on it and I'll move it to the third place and done. So same way you can just rearrange the apps according to your need, and when you're done, just you can see the option here, done. Just tab on it and your apps are rearranged or reordered as per your need. You can see the three apps that we have done right now. So this was the first method. So let's talk about the second method. For in any case, if you don't see the option here which is reorder on your TV, so what you can do, you need to just do it manually. Could be a bit lengthy process now. So for example here, Spotify, so you need to just go into the app, tab and hold, and you will see these options: move, open and view details. So I wanted to move, just click on move, tab on it. Now you will see that double-sided arrows both sides of the app. You can move it. So I will move it here, let's say in the fourth place, and tap to confirm. Again, another app. So for example, second app, okay, safety guard. So I just press and hold and you will see the option move. Click on it, move it where you wanted to place it, and then tap. Done. Finally click on done and your apps are rearranged or reordered according to your priority list or your need. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.